on a Zoom call, so I just threw on a little bit of makeup. And before I put on my brows, I totally forgot. I never did the brow video of this brow styler by Almay and Essence white highlighter stick, eye brightener, and I've been using it for a while and I'm obsessed and I forgot to tell you guys about it, so why not now? I'm gonna show you how I do it. So the first one is extreme lasting, and both of these, they are extreme lasting. They don't smudge, they stay on forever. I go like this and the brow doesn't even come off. So the first is Extreme Lasting Eye Waterproof Pencil by Essence. So I bought this at CVS. And it's just, I put it on before I put on the brows, just so I can follow the shape easier. So I'll show you what I do. I start in the corner and I go up like that. Start in the corner and go up. Then I take my ring finger and just smudge it. So I know some people put this on after they put your brows on, which I don't like to do because you could still see like kind of a harsh line when you do that. This just actually brightens. And then I like to put it right there in the middle. Then this stuff, it's almost like a stain, but it's not a stain because you can actually wash it off. Whereas stains, they stay even when you wash, but this stays on. As long as you don't wash it, it stays on. So I'll show you how I do that. So the brush is super thin. Love this brush because I have really thin brows and it just follows right through. So I'm doing the blonde one, so it's a lot lighter, and I let it dry and go back over it. If you get a darker one, you're not gonna have to do it, but look, see, I'm just following where I put the white. I'll let that dry. Come back over. It takes about 30 seconds to dry, but I'll try to speed it up for you guys. So. Okay, I'll just go back and follow it. And the more you add, the more definition. Highlight it. It's so easy, you can't even mess this up. And it looks so natural. If you're looking for something just so easy, for all you on the go like me, I'm always rushing, don't have time to sit there and do a 45-minute makeup. I'm always in a rush. Even when I'm not in a rush, I'm in a rush. So this is great for you guys. I just want something quick, easy, and breezy. Mwah.